and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I will show you some tips and tricks about cooking. So today we're going to be doing a really special recipe that's near and dear to my heart. It's actually my grandfather's roast drumstick recipe, which has all very nice ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to cook that. I'm going to start with the ingredients. So first we're going to have some fresh drumsticks. So I bought 2 kilograms of them. A kilogram would be enough. And then we're going to have all the ingredients to marinate. So the first one, this is going to be very interesting, but I basically am using a bit of whiskey that helps to give a bit of that smoky flavor, and also it's really nice when it's dehydrated. Sesame oil, a bit to help some fragrance. A bit of dark sweet soy sauce with this brand. Soy sauce is important. I have some white pepper, fine white pepper. If you don't have black pepper, do as well. Oyster sauce can be any brand. And then we have sugar. Sugar, basically it's sugar or honey. And a little bit of 5-spice powder, alright? So we will show you how all this works, and we'll prepare the marinade first. Prepare the marinade. So we adding about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, maybe 3 as well. 2, 3, right? And then we add oyster sauce, alright? Oyster sauce, you can add maybe about 2 tablespoons. Oops, I just realized I haven't opened it. Well, we add with that later on. We add a bit of dark soy sauce. Maybe about a tablespoon, alright? Just to give it a bit of color. Sorry about this squeaky noise. Alright. And then we add white pepper, right? So a dash or 2, maybe more than that. Okay. And then we add the ingredient, whiskey. Doesn't have to be any brand. Normally you can use Chinese wine, but I'm just using whiskey. I just open it. So maybe, a swig or 2. Yep. That's really nice. And then we'll add some sesame oil as well. Maybe a tablespoon of it. Now it's 5-spice powder. You want to add very copious amount of it. So this may be about maybe a quarter of a teaspoon, like this. Otherwise it will be too overpowering. Alright? Sugar acts in terms of honey. I have sugar, and honestly I'm going to put maybe about 2 tablespoons. It's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, right? This acts as honey. And last but not least, I'm going to reopen this again, and this will take some time, but not necessarily. Oyster sauce. Yep, we open it, and then we put 2 tablespoons, right? Cool. Once you have all these ingredients, what you do is you stir them together, right? Once you're done with stirring all of them, it's sort of like a bit emulsified. Give it a taste. I know it's crazy to taste marinade, but it has to be sweet enough, salty enough, everything that's more intense flavor, because the meat's going to absorb them. Let's wash a bunch of chicken, and this is about a kilogram.
An hour later.
Now the chicken has marinated for more than an hour. What I do is I'm going to put them into the turbo boiler, right? And I'm going to set it up for a temperature of 175 for 40 minutes, and then I'll turn it over, alright? chicken is in the turbo boiler. So what I'll do is I'll go and put this, and yep, I'll set it up to 175 for 40 minutes and I'll let it work, right?
Twenty minutes later. Minutes later.
Alright guys, so my chicken is ready, so let's have a look of what it looks like. Oh wow, look at this. Ooh, the color has formed. It's all looking really good. So I really like the coloration. Look at this. Ooh. Alright, so we're going to take it out and we're going to serve it on the platter. Alright. So look at this beautiful, I've served all the chicken drumsticks, but look at the glistening shine on the drumsticks, and it looks fairly crispy as well on the outside and juicy in the middle, and look at the brown coloration. Alright, let's see if it tastes good. Alright, so I'm just going to take one small piece and see how it is. It is good. Look at this. Have it. There you have it, the beautiful roast chicken in drumsticks for my grandfather. All these beautiful drippings won't be wasted. You can collect them, you can put it in a bowl. So what you can do is you can scoop it up and put it directly onto the chicken to add more flavor, and voila! You have what we call delicious chicken. Alright. There you have it.